One of the things I like about our program is the fact that you don't need a lot of people to do some amazing things. And someone asked me the question, can you have multiple projects? What happens is you can have multiple goals within your project. So everyone has one overall project, but you can have multiple goals within that project. All right? Very good. Now, what I'm showing you right here is what's called a calculator. Now, 42, you pay $5 in order to get it, and I just use it for demonstrations and that kind of thing. But you go to crowdfunditforward.com if you want to access this. CROWDFUNDIT forward. All right? All right, so someone asked me a question, how many is wide? It's too wide. You want to go deep. With this program, ladies and gentlemen, you want to go deep. So you start off with just 2 people on your first floor. You turn the automatic placement tool on and you let it run down until it gets down to about the 6th or the 7th level. Then you start a 3rd leg. You build that down. One of the things you're going to find that's unique about our program is that everyone who participates with us, who qualifies by referring at least 2 people, everybody gets donations. And by you turning the automatic placement tool on, what you're doing is you're building the community of others. And if you do that, you're taking care of them. And if you take care of them, they're going to refer more people. They're going to be more excited. They're going to receive more donations. And that's what this formula, this placement tool does. It takes care of the community. Very, very, very powerful. Okay, so what I have here is a little placement tool, and I'm going to show you what happens when you simply go out and refer to people who refer to people. That's it. We're just going to say you go out and refer to. So if you're looking at this green line right here, if you go out and refer to people who donate $200 each to you, you're going to have $400. You see that? So what do you do with that 400? You take 320 of it. Here's 320. See that 320? Take 320 out of the 400 and you donate to the project on the 2nd floor before you. So now you're qualified for what these next people are about to do. So those 2, they go out, they refer to each. So now you have 4 projects on the 2nd floor after you. And they're going to donate $640 to you. You're qualified to receive it. So now what do? You take this $640 and you donate it to the project on the 3rd floor before you. So you're now qualified to receive the donations that these next group of people are going to donate. So the 4 projects, they refer to, now you have 8 projects on the 3rd floor after you. So you just qualified $3,200, right? When those projects on the 3rd floor, when they actually make that 3rd floor donation, $3,200 goes to you. So now you're going to take $1,280 out of that $3,200 you're going to donate to the project on the 4th floor before you so that you can receive donations from this next group. Those 8 projects go out and refer to each. You have 16 projects on the 4th floor after you. That's an additional $14,000 to you. You're qualified because you just took care of that. So now you take $2,560 out of that $14,000 you donate to the project on the 5th floor before you so you can receive donations from these next group of projects that are going to come in. 32 projects on the 5th floor after you. When they make these 5th floor donations, you're going to receive an additional $56,000. All right? So this process continues just 2 more times. That's all I'm going to show you here. And you can see the numbers right there. It's very powerful. It's as simple as people coming together and working together. Now, I asked this question the other day. How many of you shop at Walmart? Okay, that's just about everybody on the planet, right? And so, but when we go to Walmart, let me ask you this question. What does the average employee make over there at Walmart? About $7, $8, $9, maybe $10 an hour, if they're fortunate? Well, what does the store manager make? What does he earn? Well, the store manager earns a percentage of profits, and he's 6 figures, 100,000, 150, maybe 200,000, based on the volume, the sales volume of that store. And what about the CEO of Walmart? How much does the CEO make? What about around $16,000 an hour? And what about if you look at the Forbes top 10 Whose name do you see in the Forbes top 10 more than anybody else? The Waltons, right? So now we go to Walmart every day, and we don't think nothing of it. But when it comes time to supporting one another, we have a problem. Why is that? It's because we've been taught that. We've been taught not to support one another, when that is the very solution to the problem that we have. And so what I just showed you, ladies and gentlemen, it's not for everybody. It's for the people who can see it. It's for the people who are prepared to receive it. And everybody's not prepared to receive it, unfortunately. All right? So just wanted to show you the power of that, okay?